Aboard Philippine Airlines flight PR2059 bound for Caticlan. Just to give you some flight and weather information, we are now cruising at 15,000 feet with a ground speed of 250 knots. We are now approximately 72 nautical miles north of Caticlan. Estimate time of arrival, traffic permitting at 10:55 this morning. Time check for your convenience, it's 34 minutes past the hour of 10. Latest weather in Caticlan is fair with a ground temperature of 31 degrees Celsius. It is from the northeast at 13 knots with a visibility of 10 kilometers. In a few minutes, we shall begin our descent towards Caticlan. For your safety, keep your seatbelts fastened whenever seated. On behalf of the management of Philippine Airlines, First Officer Earl Macasil, your cabin crew Jeff and Kizia, I'd like to thank you for flying with us and we hope you enjoy the flight. Maraming salamat po.
Babalik na kami na paano yung birthday ako. Ayan po. Wala pang alipin sa'yo nag-Starbucks sa lipan. Tapos ko na pagkatapos natin pagkakasunod na ako din na maayos na luwing. Ayan. Nakita mo, pinahayos ko na nga ngayon. Nakita ko banggang sa likod. Hindi ko napansilin. Paano ko banggang sa likod? Kasi mga point doon sa pan. Sinisili niya katabi ng kotse. So, pinapantay ko. Pinapantay ko. Wala naman ka naman laman yung kotse. Ginawa ko na last week. Ako, ayoko lang yun. Marketing na dapat ikunin mo muna. Tapos sabi ko nga sa inyo, 5 years na pinawag ko pala. Walang sira, wala naman na. Kaya magkakabang ganyan. Pwede ka na
remain seated in your seatbelt band. Do not remove your carry-on baggage until the aircraft has come to a full stop and is properly parked. On behalf of Philippine Airlines led by Captain Mandilla, First Officer Makasid and the rest of the crew, thank you for flying with us. Mabuhay at maraming salamat po.
Bilis naman na stop. Kahit pang ano, in long run chase, tatagalan nila.
Civil aviation regulations. Safety cars left at under the seats and infant life vests are provided in the cabin. Bringing down of such items constitutes theft and is punishable by law. Kindly leave these items in its compartment for the benefit of our next passengers. Infant life vests will be collected after passengers supervision.